Hi, in this video we'll do a quick orientation around the search function within iProfile Recruiter account. Videos that may also be of use to you are some basic search examples, simple and advanced Boolean logic, and some advanced searches. Let's start with the work history section, which includes job title, time range, and employer. By searching using the job title box, your results will show people that have specifically worked in the role you require. Unlike text searching the entire CV, the use of the job title field will purely search the relevant area. For example, searching for project manager will return results for people who have worked as a project manager and not those who have mentioned in their CV that they worked alongside the project manager. Using the employer part of the search criteria, you are able to find candidates that have worked for a competitor company or within employers with names that contain industry-specific words such as telecoms. You can also combine the not Boolean function to exclude companies. As the data is structured, you also have the advantage of combining job title and employer searches with a specified time range or number of previous jobs that you want to search. For example, this gives you the advantage of purely looking at candidates whose most recent role is working as a developer, rather than those that used to work as a developer 5 years ago but are now more project management focused. Now let's take a look at the location section. The location search allows you to search either a town, city, county, region, country, or postcode. After typing the first two letters, a list of the most likely matches will appear in order of population size, with the largest population first, and you can just click on the matching location to select it. You can then specify the desired radius in the field below. It will default to 50 kilometers if you do not enter a value. The search will be based on the candidate's address details. Our unique verification process means that full, up-to-date, accurate contact details are in the iProfile, and this provides an improved data set for location searching. Unlike many products, all locations selected from within the pop-up list will also search multilingual synonyms, meaning that there is no need to search individually for candidates in Switzerland or Suisse. Whichever you start to type will bring up Switzerland in the pop-up list. Just select it and it will search against all the variations. The keyword section within iProfile Recruiter is the only part that uses unstructured data. It searches against the candidate's CV and so acts as a safety check for words that might not have been automatically extracted and the candidate has not manually added to their iProfile. This is extremely useful when you are looking for general skills, for example, Unix and Oracle. Tagging allows you to group candidates under certain headings, for example, SAP. The tag section allows you to search for candidates that have a particular tag or tags that you or someone in your company have previously assigned them. For more information on the tagging, please take a look at the tagging video. The predictive text in this box works in the same way as the location text box. After typing the first two letters, a drop-down list of the most likely matches will appear. Select one and it will be added to the section. You can add as many tags as you like to this list, and you can also perform all Boolean logic on these by typing the Boolean between the tags. Now let's look at the preference selections, availability and job type. The availability is updated from two sources. Either it is added by the candidate to their iProfile, or it is the last date the candidate applied for a role with an iProfile compatible company. We recommend that you search for candidates within a 3-month availability date to get the most relevant candidates. The job type is automatically updated depending on the type of role the candidate last applied to. Should the candidate apply to multiple roles, it will be set to both. The candidate is also able to change this setting themselves on iProfile.org. Should you need to find a specific candidate, simply type their name within this box. Finally, let's look at some other search features, starting with exact match only. You will notice that each section of the search screen has a small star symbol in the top right-hand corner. When this star is white against a blue background, it means that it is activated for the exact match only function. All sections will be exact match only by default. This means that only candidates that match exactly what you have searches for will be returned. You can remove this by clicking exact match only next to the search button, or alternatively you can click on each section star individually to create any combination of exact match only sections. The stars will be grey against a grey background when not active. By deactivating this functionality, you allow candidates that are not exact matches for your search to return. But because all the results are returned in relevance order, the most relevant candidates will still be at the top. It is very helpful to start a search without exact match only, because it will return you a bigger results list where perhaps people meet most but not all search criteria, and then you can narrow your search results list by selecting specific sections as exact match only. If you are searching in job title, employer or keyword search and using or spaces between each word, only one of each of the words needs to be matched to satisfy the exact match criteria. You can save your last search criteria so that it will be there when you log back in by selecting this option. A tick will appear in the tick box when this is activated. You can only save your current search, however you can save multiple searches using the saved search function. Please look at the Save Searches video for more information. Finally, if you want to start a new search, simply click Clear Search and all your previous search criteria will be cleared from the screen, ready for you to enter your new search criteria.